Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P08A9 indicates an issue with the clutch pedal position sensor A circuit in the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. This error suggests that the output signal of the clutch pedal stroke sensor A, which is part of the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) modulator control unit, falls below a specified value. This abnormal signal triggers the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) to store the diagnostic trouble code, indicating a potential malfunction. Essentially, the PCM relies on accurate data from this sensor, which informs the vehicle's performance, especially concerning clutch engagement and overall control of the vehicle's systems. A detailed inspection of the clutch pedal stroke sensor, the related circuits, and the VSA modulator control unit is required to diagnose the issue properly. It is critical to approach this troubleshooting methodically to identify the specific problem in this interconnected system. The clutch pedal stroke sensor plays a vital role in providing the PCM with accurate data regarding the position of the clutch pedal. Located behind the clutch pedal, this sensor generates an output signal that reflects the amount the pedal is depressed. When the clutch pedal is pressed, the sensor communicates with the VSA modulator control unit, which uses this information to manage the vehicle's systems. If the sensor's output signal falls below a certain threshold, it indicates a fault in the sensor or its circuit, which leads to the generation of DTC P08A9. The VSA modulator control unit, integral for vehicle stability control, processes these signals to maintain optimal performance, especially in adverse driving conditions. Therefore, issues in this sensor can lead to significant impacts on the vehicle's drivability. The primary cause for the DTC P08A9 indication is typically a faulty clutch pedal stroke sensor itself. This sensor may be malfunctioning due to internal failure or wear over time. Another possible cause is an open or short condition in the electrical circuits connected to the sensor. These include the CSS5V, CSS-SIG1, and CSS-GND circuits. Any disruption in these circuits can incorrectly relay information to the PCM. Lastly, the VSA modulator control unit itself may have issues that affect how it receives and processes the sensor's signals. Establishing the root cause is crucial to ensuring correct repairs and reliable vehicle operation post-service. When DTC P08A9 is triggered, one of the most noticeable symptoms is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard. This light serves as an indicator that the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has detected a malfunction. Additionally, drivers may experience an unresponsive clutch pedal, meaning that pressing the pedal does not evoke the expected response from the transmission. This lack of engagement can lead to challenges when attempting to shift gears, which compromises safe vehicle operation. Furthermore, inconsistent engine performance may be observed, leading to erratic acceleration or deceleration, impacting the overall driving experience. Awareness of these symptoms can prompt timely diagnosis and repair, preventing further complications. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P08A9, the focus is on verifying the output voltage from the clutch pedal stroke sensor. Start by ensuring that the clutch pedal stroke sensor 4P connector is disconnected. This step is crucial as it isolates the sensor for accurate evaluation. Next, turn the vehicle to the on mode to power the circuits and measure the voltage output at the female terminals of the connector. Under normal conditions, the output voltage should be approximately 5.0 volts. If this output is not achieved, it suggests that there may be a fault in the sensor itself. Conversely, if the voltage is as expected, further investigation will be necessary, implicating issues in other related components or circuits. The second troubleshooting step requires performing a jumper wire test on the clutch pedal stroke sensor 4P connector. After disconnecting the sensor, jumper terminals number 1 and number 2 together to create a direct connection. This bypasses the sensor's output and allows you to turn the vehicle to the on mode and observe the voltage on the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. A normal voltage value observed here should also be around 5.0 volts. If the HDS reports the expected output, this indicates that the clutch pedal stroke sensor is likely the source of the original DTC P08A9. If the voltage is abnormal, it points toward issues with other components in the system that may need addressing. In the third step, the focus shifts to inspecting the VSA modulator control unit and the associated circuits involved. Before this, ensure both the VSA modulator control unit 46P connector and the clutch pedal stroke sensor connector are disconnected. This setup allows for a thorough circuit examination. Using diagnostic equipment, check for open circuits in the CSS5V, CSS-SIG1, and CSS-GND circuits. Normal conditions indicate that there should be less than 1 ohm of resistance in these circuits, aiding in determining if there's an open wire causing the issue. Verify also that none of the wires are shorted to ground or power, as these could create erroneous signals affecting performance. If abnormalities are detected in this step, circuit repair will be necessary. Upon completing repairs based on the previous troubleshooting steps, a final verification is crucial for ensuring vehicle integrity. Begin by clearing any stored diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM to reset the system. Next, conduct a test drive under various conditions to validate that the repairs have addressed the initial problems indicated by DTC P08A9. Monitor the vehicle's performance during this drive, ensuring smooth operation and responsive clutch engagement. Finally, upon completion of the test drive, recheck for any stored DTCs. If no new codes appear, it confirms that the repairs were successful and the vehicle should be operating normally. To avoid future occurrences of DTC P08A9, implementing preventive maintenance strategies is essential. Regularly inspecting the clutch pedal stroke sensor for signs of wear or damage can help in early detection of potential issues. Consistent monitoring of vehicle performance, especially how the clutch responds during operation, can also alert drivers to problems before they escalate to fault codes. Additionally, routinely checking the wiring and connectors for any signs of frays, corrosion, or disconnections can significantly reduce the likelihood of circuit-related issues. By incorporating these proactive measures, vehicle owners can enhance the reliability of their Honda Civic and ensure seamless driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the significance of DTC P08A9 is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repairs. This diagnostic trouble code indicates a low signal from the clutch pedal stroke sensor A, which can impact vehicle performance. Following a methodical approach through the outlined troubleshooting steps is imperative to accurately diagnose and rectify the problem. Each component, from the sensor to the VSA modulator control unit, plays a vital role in the system's functionality. Ensuring thorough repairs and implementing preventive maintenance will help mitigate future occurrences of this issue, providing drivers with a reliable and safe driving experience. Ultimately, a proactive approach enhances vehicle longevity and optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.